Hey there!
We're Nigel and Sue.
In this episode we visit some amazing hidden beaches.
Where we do some quite challenging four-wheel drive beach access tracks. And I caught a fish, would you believe?
First border crossing. We're coming into the Eurimbula, I think that's how you say it, National Park, and hopefully we'll be staying in here tonight. Hopefully we can get all the way up to the campsite. We've read a couple of different reviews that have said it's an easy four-wheel drive track in. So I'll show you what we're currently driving along at the moment. I guess it's fairly easy, it's just quite slow because it is slightly corrugated. We've driven on much worse, hey Nige? Yeah. But we never want to speak too soon because you don't know what's going to be around the next corner. Now the road has changed a bit, single lane. Quite a bit tighter and windier. It's pretty through here though.
Just
bumpy. There's a 20 km/h sign up ahead here. We're not exactly sure why you would be going much faster than that. Yeah, it's a bit tight through here. Might be getting a few bush pinstripes.
It's been a real lift for adventure, hasn't it?
It has been. So we can now see the ocean. We're still driving along this very rough track. But just out there is the beach. So I'm down on this beach. It's so beautiful. And if you can see over there, that's 1770, and the point is where we were, where we went for the walk the other day, where we went for the sunset. But I think the sunset here is going to be spectacular, as we'll watch it drop down over there. So this is the camping in behind us here. Actually looks really beautiful. I'm really excited. We are parked up here at Eurimbula National Park, Eurimbula Creek Campsite, and we managed to get the van in. That was a fun journey. And it's just about to be sunset, so we're going to take a little walk down. You can probably see we've got a fire going there. We're going to take a little walk down and along the beach and watch the sun setting over the Eurimbula Creek. Sun is going to set over there in about 10 minutes time.
So we're not alone.
We're not alone. We've got a young fellow over here, and we've got another couple over there that are maybe just going for a shark bait swim. And there's so much driftwood up here on the beach from those high tides, crazy king tides. Okay, so I'm going down for another look at this sunset because it looked like it was a fizzer and we came back to sit around the fire, and now I'm looking out at the sky. That's looking like it might be okay, so let's go check it out. It's definitely better than it was when we were up there. Here we are with another van life reality. We've just sat down to our lovely Asian noodle salad, and you might be able to see how thick the air is with bugs. Look at them all flying around, Nigel. So we're inside the van and we're getting mobbed.
Not only that, the next air fan at the back, probably hear that beeping. So that's the motherboard. Screwed the pooch. I did that a few days ago and kind of figured it had dried out, but apparently not. So we're faced with a night of well, we'll see. Yeah, it could be interesting because we can't get out of here because it's you'll see by the video and coming in, it's yeah, it's not a road we want to tackle at night.
I'll take you closer just in case you can't hear this god-awful noise. Right above our bed. What an absolutely glorious place to wake up. We actually slept quite well despite the fact that we had those bugs in the van. We kind of managed to kill most of them off, and unfortunately, of course, our fan wasn't working, so we have to try and get that sorted out today as well. It's a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, a little bit of breeze. We're going to go for a walk along the beach this morning and yeah, just enjoy this beautiful day. To the end as far as we can walk, but just directly across behind Nigel there is the town of 1770, and we reckon at low tide you can probably walk across here. It's coming back in now though. So we're actually here at the end of the beach, and it gets quite deep quite quickly here. Just there's a real drop off just off the edge there. I started to go for a walk in it and I'm like, I don't want to lose my phone. Bit of biffo going on over here between this bush turkey and a goanna. I think the goanna must have been at the bush turkey's eggs. Look at him go. Bush turkey's chasing him away. Kicking all the leaves over him. Not happy with him at all. Good morning, friends. Today is a great day in the life of Nigel and Sue Adventures because today Nigel caught a fish.
Now we're learning how to fillet said fish.
Where's the fish, Nigel?
Oh.
In his magic fishing bag. Apparently he's already cut the head off. I'm glad I didn't have to see that. Show us your fish.
No, it's not real big, but it is size. It is. We'll get a couple of
You'll get your breakfast out of that.
Small fillets out of that.
What sort of fish is it, Nigel?
It's a flathead.
It was a flathead, now it's a no head. And here's the result of the fish. Looks pretty good to me. Well done, Nigel.
Yeah, pretty exciting. I feel like really do feel like the great white hunter now.
We caught a fish.
Bit of a try.
Here we go. Fresh fish, yumbo.
Oh, so good.
Well done, babes. Awesome job. So our little trip to Eurimbula Creek Campground has definitely been a success.
First ever flathead.
Woohoo. Can you see he's a bit excited? We've stopped off on the way out of the Eurimbula National Park, and we're going to walk up to the Gununganunga lookout. So it's supposed to be, well, the sign here says 800 metres, the map says 360 metres, so we're thinking maybe it's like 800 metres round trip. Anyway, we're supposed to get great views out over Busted Bay and
Language.
maybe even see as far as to the point where the lighthouse is. Let's go, Nigel. Oh, whoa. We've made it up to the top of the Gununganunga lookout. I don't know whether it was 360 or 800 metres. Look, it's not far. It's quite an easy walk, although we do have to come up some steps. And the views are spectacular. We can see all the way out to the 1770 point. Can't see as much as the ocean as I thought we would be able to, but we can see all through this floodplain. And some folks were just here and were telling us that back thousands of years ago this was an important water source for the indigenous people who lived here, but it has all silted up now, so there's no fresh water there anymore. But definitely well worth a walk up to the Gununganunga lookout. Join us next time as we continue up the coast. We take a great walk, meet some of the wildlife, and see a gorgeous sunset. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified when we next upload a video. See you next time.